Hey, what's going on, guys? Justin Fuller, Director of Digital Sales for TrueSpot, and today I want to talk to you about something pretty important, and that's using Modar mode. Now, if you're not familiar with what that is, it's related to the phone app when you want to search out and walk yourself right up to a key or whatever the item is that you're searching. So let's hop on in and I'll show you kind of what that looks like. All right, guys, so here we are, and you can actually see that I've taken my phone and I'm actually mirroring it up onto the screen, right? So when it comes to Modar mode, you're going to run your search typically for whatever the vehicle is or the key that you're searching for, right? So I would jump into here. So for the sake of this, I'm actually going to search up my vehicle. I've placed my vehicle, which is at my house, right? I'm in my studio. So we're going to hunt down that vehicle, right? So the keys and that car, right? So you can see I have two vehicle tags on here and I have a key tag, right? So I'm going to jump in here. Now, I'm interested in the key, right? So when I jump over to the key right here, it's going to show me where this key is. Now, there's two important things to remember. I don't have the network set up at my house, obviously, right? But your phone will work as part of that network, right? So if somebody was to accidentally take a key home, this can be really important. Or let's say they took it home, we can see it's there, but they can't find it in their house. Well, this is where they can use this. Or if you happen to be out on the lot and you see that there's a key out there and you're trying to hunt it down and you need help walking right up to it, whether it's in a particular room or it's somewhere specific, that's where this is going to come into play, right? So, okay, I see my key. Now, if I hit that find a key tag, that green button up there, so I'm going to go ahead and select that, it's going to start pinging that tag. Now, it's going to take a couple seconds because it has to load it up and then start pinging that tag. So it's going to start pinging it every couple seconds. So as your tag is pinged, you're going to hear that chirping sound, right? So my phone's making this sound right now, and it's letting you know that it is actively pinging this tag. So as they get closer together, right, it's pinging it, and you see the white ball move. And then as these keys move away, obviously you can see the white ball is going to move away as well. All right, guys, so I'm going to start walking around trying to find this tag. Now, you obviously want to remember to keep your phone flat so that it can easily find it, right? Phone cases and metal can keep and kind of affect things as you're going. So as you're going, it'll continue to ping that tag every couple seconds. So as you get closer, that white ball will start to move into that darker blue and then eventually into the immediate section. When you get into the immediate section or close to it, you're now within a foot or two of this tag. So as you can see, here I am. It's starting to bounce around. I move back, I move forward a little bit, and then realize, okay, it's got to be really close to me, and there you go. I found the key tag that I was looking for. All right, guys, so hopefully that gives you a good idea and understanding of how Modar mode works. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about any of the other software, the hardware, the tags, anything like that, please do reach out to me. Understand we've got a lot of new things going on, whether you're tracking in service, you're tracking in sales, you're looking at recon, maybe you're tracking through recon, or if you're looking at reporting, things like test drive report, or maybe the idle vehicle report. There's a lot of different things we have going on, and I hope that you know about them or will ask me so I can help walk you through them. Other than that, appreciate you tuning in. Talk to you later. Bye.